If you are thinking about setting up an electronic dartboard at home, whether it is for game nights with mates, keeping the kids entertained without screens, or simply having your own darts corner without leaving the house, stick around because today I am bringing you the 7 best electronic dartboards you can buy right now across Europe. I have analyzed each model in depth so you do not have to waste hours comparing, and I can assure you there is a perfect dartboard here for every type of player and every budget. All the purchase links are in the video description, so let us get straight into it. We start with the Dart Pro Original, and the first thing you need to know is that this dartboard runs completely without cables. Yes, it is wireless, it runs on batteries, and that means you can hang it in the living room, the garage, the patio, or wherever you fancy without relying on any power socket. That alone sets it apart from almost everything else on the market. It comes with 6 darts, 24 flights, and 50 replacement tips. So from minute 1, you have more than enough gear to play without any worries. The game variety is impressive, with 34 games and over 300 variants including classics like 301, 501, cricket, and also a play against the machine mode that works nicely for solo practice. It supports up to 8 simultaneous players, making it ideal for larger gatherings. Because it runs on batteries, the LCD screen performs best in well-lit environments, so just keep that in mind when choosing where to hang it, and you are sorted. Picture a Sunday afternoon. You have friends over, someone says, "Let us have a game of darts," and within 2 minutes, you have it up and running with no cables or plugs to worry about. That immediacy is what makes the Dart Pro special. Now, if what you are after is something that looks elegant in your home, the Sai Life with cabinet is a completely different story. This dartboard comes built into a wooden cabinet that, when closed, looks like just another decorative piece of furniture on the wall. When you open it, the doors act as side protection so stray darts do not destroy the paintwork. The target area is 13.5 inches, which is the European standard, and the segments are made from polypropylene with an ultra-thin spider that massively reduces bounce-outs. It comes with 12 darts and their flights and has built-in holders on the doors to store them, so everything stays neat and organized. Compared to the Dart Pro, here you lose portability but gain a lot in presentation and wall protection. If you have a games room or a living room where you want everything to match, this is your dartboard. The built-in storage detail is brilliant because it eliminates that excuse of "I cannot find the darts," which always ends with the board gathering dust. The third model is the Win Max, and this one is specifically aimed at anyone who wants to genuinely improve their game. What sets it apart is its multi-panel LED display, which shows real-time statistics with a clarity that is perfectly visible from the throw line. It has 27 games with 195 variants and 5 difficulty levels against the machine, with a progression curve that is much better calibrated than other models for gradually stepping up your level. A technical detail I think is brilliant is the concave segment holes, which work like small funnels guiding the dart tip inward even if you do not hit dead center. That noticeably reduces bounce-outs. It comes with an AC power adapter included, which guarantees the display always shines the same and the sensors work with consistent precision without depending on batteries. It also includes 12 darts and 100 replacement tips. The ABS plastic casing is very sturdy, and if you want to fine-tune the experience even further in a shared flat, an easy trick is to place a cork sheet behind it when mounting to soften the sound. For anyone who takes practice seriously without wanting to mess around with apps, the Win Max is the perfect tool. If your priority is space or you are looking for something for the little ones at home, the AOYS is an option worth considering. With dimensions of 31.5 by 43 centimeters, it is the most compact on the entire list. It runs on 3 AA batteries, needs no cables, and is so light you can hang it behind a door or take it on a trip. It includes 6 darts with soft tips that are completely safe for children and pets. Its LCD screen is basic but functional, and although it is designed more for fun than competition training, it works perfectly for quick games and for kids to develop coordination without any risk. Imagine a weekend at a countryside cottage, you pull the AOYS out of the suitcase, hang it anywhere, and you have entertainment for the whole family without a screen in sight. As a starter and portable dartboard, it is simply unbeatable. We move on to 5th place with the Turnart, and here things get spectacular. This dartboard has illuminated LED segments, not just on the display but across the entire playing surface. That enables exclusive game modes where the board lights up a segment and you have to hit it before it changes. It is like Simon Says, but throwing darts, and I can tell you it is incredibly addictive. With 48 games and 315 variants, it offers the most variety on the entire list. It works on both mains power and batteries, so you have total flexibility. Compared to the Win Max, which focuses on data, the Turnart goes all in on the visual experience and the fun factor. It is the dartboard that turns any basement or dark room into an arcade with that neon glow that catches everyone's attention. The translucent segments are made from a tough material that handles impacts well without losing light diffusion. If you are throwing a party and want something that breaks the ice instantly, this is your secret weapon. In 6th place, we have the Hom A70, which is basically a tank. It weighs 4.7 kilograms and is built with an MDF cabinet with side doors that protect a huge area of the wall. That extra weight is not a gimmick, it is a real advantage because a heavier dartboard vibrates less with each impact, which means fewer bounce outs and a more solid, satisfying sound. The LED display is large and easy to read. It supports up to 8 players and has 27 games with 202 variants, including 5 levels against the machine. The darts it includes are very light at 9.5 grams, perfect for children to play with total comfort. That said, if you want to get the most out of it as an adult, I recommend picking up a set of soft tip darts between 16 and 18 grams. You will notice a huge improvement in accuracy and the whole experience goes up a level. This dartboard is perfect for a permanent games room, an office, or anywhere you want something that can handle years of heavy use. And we arrive at number 1, the Grand Board 3S, which plays in a completely different league. This dartboard connects via Bluetooth 5.0 to your phone or tablet, and the entire experience is managed through its app. That means high-definition graphics, detailed statistics, constant updates with new games, and most importantly, online matches against players from all over the world in real time. The target area size is 15.5 inches, which is the professional competition standard for soft tip. But what truly makes it special is the silence. The Grand Board 3S is designed with acoustic absorption materials that make it the quietest dartboard on the market, ideal for playing at night in a flat without disturbing anyone. The outer sensor detects even darts that hit the frame, so the app never gets stuck waiting for a throw that missed. You just need to pair it with a mobile device to enjoy all its features, and the wall mount is easily available separately, but in return, you get a platform that updates itself and connects you with a global community of players. If you aspire to compete or simply want the best possible experience, nothing else comes close. To sum up, if you want total portability and zero cables, the Dart Pro is your choice. If you want something elegant that decorates the Sai Life with cabinet, for training with data the Win Max, for children and small spaces the AOYS, for parties and visual fun the Turnart, for extreme durability the Hom A70, and if you want the very best with online play and absolute silence, the Grand Board 3S. All the links are in the description, pick yours and get throwing. If you found the video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more comparisons like this one. See you in the next one.